Hi, I'm Peter. I'm going to get you started with XVT. You've got the program downloaded, you have the eval, and we're going to use this tool to develop a graphical user interface program in seconds. This program will be very simple, just takes a couple numbers and sums them and outputs it. You're going to be going in just a few minutes using the C++ Architect tool. Let's get going. Are you excited? I am. This tool is awesome. Okay, starting from scratch, open up Architect. We have an Architect, an object-oriented design view of our classes, an application which controls the program, the application itself, the document controls the window does the dirty work of the input-output, verifying it, and we're going to develop in here. I'm going to add a document for my application, the calculator application, and I'm going to add a window to it as well. I have to link those in a relationship. This window is responsible or reports this document. This document is controlled by this application, and now I can go ahead and name them. We like to use X for the name, that way we can distinguish it from the C classes that are part of XVT library. And I'll just call it add. And this will be my document. Again, X, add doc, and then my window. X, add, win. Now all I have to do is set up my window. I open up the draft board, this awesome tool to help me draw my WYSIWYG menu. And just watch and you'll see how it's so easy to add the functionality. Now I have my items for my menu. Let's go ahead and put my little plus sign. This is just a title. That's all I have to do there. Now I have the look and feel of that. These have to be identified in my program, these entry points, so I just have to give them a factory ID. This will be first value. Put the F in front so we can identify it as a factory. And then the button has to have a command it can do. I'll go ahead and give it a title, add. And it's a command button, so this will be my add button command. Alright, everything's there I need. Now I can move it around and pretty it up. If I want my items to be identical, we have a wonderful tool called the palette for alignment. I can adjust the width and the length. They're identical and have that nicely matched up. Center everything using the palette, or I just do it that way. That's it. Now all I have to do is save my work. Let's call this simple add program. And generate the files. This is the awesome part. XVT knows what changes were made. In this case, it's brand new. It makes the make file, the help files, the resource files, one resource that can compile on any target of up to 6 platforms that we support, Windows, Mac. It is fantastic. And I'm done. Now I can close this. If I want to do more design, I could show this to the boss. But next step we will take is we're going to go and compile this, in this case for Windows, using Visual Studio. Alright, here we have the generated files that was out of my XVT, my Windows development. I'm going to go ahead and build the entire solution. Go ahead and run it. And there's my menu actually running. Now, right now, there's no application code, so nothing's going to happen. That's the next item that's left. It's just my application. there's my graphical user interface. I can resize, I can do anything I want with it, and it's ready to go. Alright, let's go ahead and add our application specific code. These files were generated by XVT. I'm going to go into the window for or the code for the window file. Add a couple include files. The do command is where my keystroke will be picked up with these two parameters. Go ahead and add my case. Pick up the first value that's entered. Convert it to integer from what's passed in. Title. Get the second value. Add those two values. And I'll go ahead and post them out. And there it is. Same window now, this time with some logic. And there it is. Super duper. So it's that easy. You're started. You can write your own applications, put graphical user interface. You can compile this for any platform that we support. No change in what's been done right here in front of you. Good luck and happy hunting. Wish you the best.